In this tutorial, we will show you the basics on how to enchant in Minecraft. You will learn how to enchant using a table and an anvil. The enchanting table is used to spend XP, also known as experience points or levels, to enchant weapons, armor, tools, books, and more. To begin, you will need to craft an enchanting table using 1 book, 2 diamonds, and 4 blocks of obsidian. When you open the enchanting interface, you will notice there are 2 empty slots. The slot on the left is where you'll need to place the item you want to enchant. The slot on the right is where you'll need to place lapis in order to enchant. Lapis can be found while mining, and it's mainly used for enchanting. After you place the item of your choice alongside some lapis, you will be given a list of 3 different enchantments on the right. If you hover over an enchantment, you can get a hint of what you'll receive when selecting that option, as well as how much lapis and XP it'll cost to pick this enchantment. Sometimes you may get more than 1 enchantment when you select an option. The green number on the bottom right is the level required to obtain that certain enchantment. Levels play a very important role in enchanting, as they determine how good the enchantment is. The higher the level, the better the enchantment. To increase the experience level, you will need to place bookshelves 2 blocks away from the enchanting table. To obtain the maximum enchantment level of 30, you'll need to surround the enchanting table with 16 bookshelves. The levels available in an enchanting table depends on the amount of bookshelves surrounding it. Let's say you only placed 14 bookshelves. The highest level available becomes 28. But if you place 16 bookshelves, you get the maximum level of 30. If you've only placed 12 bookshelves, the highest level available then becomes 24. If you want to get an enchantment that is level 30, you will need to have at least 30 experience levels to be able to do so. Or if you want an enchantment that is level 5, you will need at least 5 experience levels. Another method of enchanting is by using an anvil. To use this method, you will need to have enchanted books. Enchanted books can be found either by exploring or by manually enchanting a book in an enchanting table. To craft an anvil, you will need 4 iron ingots and 3 iron blocks. Once you have the enchanted book and item of your choice, you can then place them in the empty slots of an anvil. You'll need to place the item in the left slot and the enchanted book in the right slot. After doing so, it'll tell you how many experience points it'll cost to make this enchantment. If you don't have enough experience points, you will not be able to enchant your item until you get the required amount. Some enchanted books may not be compatible with your item due to the kind of enchantment. For example, a book with the infinity enchantment will not work on a sword as that enchantment is only made for bows. You will need to make sure that the enchanted book you're adding with your item is compatible with it. Also, anvils give you the ability to add multiple enchantments to an item as long as it's compatible.